Your car is more than just a way to get from one place to another. It's your personal space, and with the right decoration accessories, you can make it look more stylish, comfortable, and premium. In this video, we'll explore the best car decoration accessories that not only improve appearance but also add functionality and comfort. Let's get started. Number 1. LED ambient lighting. LED ambient lighting is one of the most effective ways to upgrade your car's interior. These lights are usually installed under the dashboard, seats, or doors. Most modern kits offer multiple colors and brightness levels, allowing you to customize the look of your cabin. Soft lighting, such as blue or white, creates a calm and premium feel, especially during night driving. In addition to aesthetics, ambient lighting also improves visibility inside the cabin without being distracting. Number 2. Car perfume and decorative diffuser. A clean and fresh-smelling car always leaves a good impression. Car perfumes now come in decorative designs, such as crystal shapes or solar-powered rotating diffusers. These not only provide fragrance, but also act as stylish dashboard accessories. Choosing a mild and long-lasting scent is recommended to ensure comfort during long drives. Number 3. Phone holder. A phone holder is a simple yet essential accessory. It helps keep your phone in place while using navigation, making driving safer and more convenient. A well-designed holder also keeps your dashboard organized and clutter-free. Magnetic or clip-based holders are popular options because they are easy to install and maintain a clean look. Number 4. Seat covers. Seat covers play a major role in both decoration and protection. High-quality seat covers, especially leather or leather-style materials, can instantly enhance the interior of your car. They also protect the original seats from wear and stains. You can choose from different styles, including luxury, sporty, or minimalist designs depending on your preference. Number 5. Dashboard decorations. Dashboard decorations allow you to personalize your car. Small items such as figurines, car models, or minimalist ornaments can add character to your interior. However, it's important not to overcrowd the dashboard. Keeping the design simple ensures a clean and distraction-free driving experience. Number 6. Sunshade. A sunshade is both practical and decorative. It helps protect your car's interior from heat and sunlight, while also adding style when your car is parked. Many sunshades come with unique designs or reflective surfaces. Using a sunshade regularly can also help preserve your dashboard and seats over time. Number 7. Steering wheel cover. A steering wheel cover improves both comfort and appearance. It provides better grip while driving and protects the steering wheel from wear. Available in materials like leather or textured fabric, it can match your car's interior theme. A well-chosen steering wheel cover adds a subtle but noticeable upgrade. Number 8. LED door. Sill plates. LED door. Sill plates are a modern decorative feature. They light up when the door opens, giving your car a premium and welcoming look. These are especially noticeable at night and can enhance the overall experience of entering the vehicle. Installation is usually simple and does not require major modifications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car-related content. Let me know which accessory you like the most and which one you plan to add to your car. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.